An improvisation is a spontaneous enactment in which students take on roles and relationships to create a situation which they share with their peers. Now we're going to look at bringing this image to life. So here it is on the page of a book. We are going to recreate this image with our bodies in the space. I'll leave this image here so we can refer to it. And 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and freeze. So we've gone from an image in a book, created it, had our own frozen image, added some lines of dialogue in, which is really the start of a script or an improvisation, and we could move into a scene if we wanted to from there. So we're starting to get into really making some dramas and making some scenes. So I'm going to get all of you to decide the one thing that you're going to be taking, and we're going to go through what I call the ritual of packing it. So for the ritual, we're going to imagine what we need to do to get that item ready. Observe its colour, its size, its shape. Think about its weight. Think about how it feels in your hand. Really imagine that object. And as you're imagining that object, you might be thinking about why it's important to you. So you're going to play the role of somebody who's going on a journey. It's unknown right now. We're going to explore that. Maybe it's a short journey, maybe it's a long journey. So as you write, there might be information that you create or that you make up. Because you're in role and because we're creating the drama, it doesn't all have to be factual. Some of the situation will be something you've made up. And ensure when you're writing that you think about your relationship to the person you're writing to. This is going to be our living library. So this is going to remain in the classroom over our drama lessons. And we're going to gradually put things into our living library or onto our net, so that we can use them later. Well, it's lovely to see that our living library is really starting to take shape now that we have some images there. We're starting to make some choices here and making a fictional situation. You can use the ideas in your postcard or the ideas that came from the photograph. We can add in some voice or some language.